It is said if you want to buy a luxury car, you should go to the luxury car makers, and Mercedes is the pinnacle of luxury. This 1986 SEC 560 was the definition of luxury back then. So how's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. For today I have this very special car. This is a 1986 Mercedes SEC 560. It's one of the very special cars. So guys, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. First thing first, I always pull out the mats and I start with the mats. So here I'm extracting the mats. I want to make sure that I clean them as best as possible. Again, this is the 1986 model. I have to be careful how I detail this car because everything in this car is very delicate. And these carpets, to be very honest, one of the most plushiest carpets I've ever seen in a Mercedes. Even today's new Mercedes have actually reduced the quality on carpets, but these were amazing. As I mentioned, this car is a very special car. That means this is a very old car. It's a 1986 Mercedes, and the customer actually met me while I was detailing another car at a location, and he said, hey, I have a Mercedes that I want to get detailed. The seats are in really bad condition because the previous owner was a mechanic and there's grease all over the seats, and the car has that mechanic smell, that grease and the old part smell. What can we do? I said we're gonna do a full interior detail. Finally the car made it to the shop and I did a full detail on it. And guys, this car is actually pinnacle of luxury because the seats, the carpets, and everything on the inside was full of luxury to the comfort of the driver and the passenger. After vacuuming all the carpets and the interior of the vehicle, now is the time that I shampoo all these carpets. These carpets were really great while shampooing because the thick pile helps to clean the carpet really well. And my process is I use Chemical Guy's lightning fast carpet shampoo or upholstery shampoo, and then after that I introduce heat using a steamer because I don't have a direct hot water connection for my extractor. So I use steamer to introduce heat and to release all the dirt, and after that I shampoo the carpet using my extractor. So So guys, if you want to know what extractor I'm using, you can check out the video over here. I will link this video in the end as well. I actually made an extractor using a rigid shop vac, so you guys can do it as well. This is very economical and this extractor works really great. I have some upgraded hoses and all that stuff that I use for my extractor. Make sure to watch the video. You can check out the links in the description of that video of all the accessories and the parts that I ordered, and that way you can build the exact same extractor for your business as well. So guys, make sure to check out the video. My process for carpet extraction is I always shampoo the carpets till I see clear water coming into the extractor. That's why on the extractor has a clear head. So this is a clear plastic, so I can see what kind of water is coming in from the carpets. As soon as I see that the carpet shampoo has come off and I see clear water coming into the extractor, I know that the carpets are clean. And if you want to know the dilution ratio for the lightning fast shampoo from Chemical Guys, I dilute it 20:1. That is 20 ounces of water and 1 ounce of the shampoo. It works really great. Sometimes you have to do the process twice. On this door, as you can see, back in the day, Mercedes wanted to put carpet everywhere, so the doors also had carpet, but the customer actually spilled some wine and I was able to remove all of that wine stain using this shampoo. So guys, make sure to check out all the links for the tools and the products that I'm using in this detail. They are linked in the description. You can check out those links and you can buy these products for yourself. After shampooing all the carpets, and yes, there were carpets in the middle console on the front and the back, I shampooed all of them. And now was the time that I had to tackle the hardest part of the detail, that is removing all the grease from the door and the seats. So I used my steamer mixed with P&S Express Interior Detailer, and guys, this product works amazing with the steamer, and I was able to break down all the grease from the doors and the leather seats. For cleaning the leather seats, I divided the seats into sections. This way I did not tire the leather. That means I did not exert too much steam into the leather. This is a very old car. I have to be very careful. So the tip of the day is, if you're dealing with older classic cars, make sure to deal with them gently. Steamers can be aggressive, but they can be efficient as well. So here on the seats, I used the steamer very carefully and I divided the seats into sections so I could get the best results. And I was able to clean the seats 98% because I could not go any more harder on the seats. If I did, I would end up damaging them. So I was clear with the customer, and when the customer picked up the car, he was actually amazed that the seats came out absolutely perfect. Few weeks ago, I did upload a video where I was detailing a BMW and I mentioned that Super Clean was doing a giveaway. So here is the winner of that giveaway. This person commented on that video. Last video, I was not able to announce the winner. So here I am, and the winner is TJ Mama 2, and the channel name I think is TJ Jen. So if you are living in the United States, please DM me your information. I will forward it to Super Clean and they will send you the giveaway package. As I had mentioned earlier, this car was sitting outside for a long time and these vents were full of dirt, so I was using my steamer and the brush, but I was not able to get proper results that I wanted. So I used these swabs and I was able to clean them really well. So guys, make sure to have some of these swabs in your detailing arsenal. They can actually help you in your detail jobs. After cleaning all the leather and the interior, now is the time that I condition the leather. And for leather conditioner, I'm using Zactec. One of my friends, he's a detailer, he gave me a whole gallon can and it works really great. And for the plastic interiors, I use Aerospace 303 and this product works really well. It gives that UV protection and after application it gives that matte finish, and that gives a complete interior detailed look. So guys, make sure to always follow these steps and this will give your interior a complete detailed finished look. After the interior detail, the car was sitting in the garage for 2 days, so I wanted to give it a wash before I give it to the customer. The car was a bit dusty and you can see the car looks beautiful. Even for being back in the day, 1986, this car looked very modern. The wheels were so flush with the fenders and they looked amazing. So that was the most captivating part about this car, was the wheels for me, and I was really impressed by this car. So talk about luxury. If you sit in a coupe, you have to actually twist and turn and reach for the seat belt, but in this car in 1986 the seat belt actually used to extend out to you. All you had to do was grab and click it. That's all it was. You didn't have to twist your body or anything like that. The luxury in this car was amazing. So guys, if you enjoyed the video thus far, make sure to like, comment, and if you have not, subscribe to the channel and make sure to let me know what do you think about this car. This car was amazing for me. I was super stoked to detail this car. So guys, just like always, thanks for watching the video and I will definitely see you on the next one. Till then, you have a good one.